Namaste, dear yogis. Every morning you have two choices. Continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. Today, you did a good choice. Happy Friday, my dear friends, and welcome to Rise and Shine Morning Yoga. Let's begin. We will begin our practice today in a lying position. Come all the way down onto your back, extend the legs long out in front of you, and rest your arms alongside your body, palms facing skyward for receiving. To receive everything that your heart is desired today. Now ask yourself what you in your heart desire today. What are you looking to get out of your practice? What is truly important to you today? Let this be your intention. Breathe in fully. Open mouth, exhale completely. Release your intentions to the universe. Now on the next inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Take a nice full body stretch. Good morning stretch. And then hug both of your knees into your chest, a little bit sway side to side, massage the entire spine. Grab the outer edges of your feet, happy baby pose. Stack your ankles on top of your knees and push those knees down towards the earth as you're grounding your tailbone to the mat. If it's uncomfortable, you can grab behind your thighs. And I keep swaying side to side, igniting your Ujjayi breath, breathing in and out through your nose, creating beautiful oceanic sound with your breath, and using the power of the breath, connect fully to the present moment and prepare your body for the practice. Now hug both of your knees into your chest, bring your left ankle on top of your right knee, figure 4. Interlace your fingers behind your right thigh or below the knee. Bring that right knee towards you and your left knee away from you. Tune into the sensation in your left outer hip and direct your breath into that sensation. Breathe in and out. Let go of your grip, extend your arms to the side, bring the gaze over your left shoulder, drop both of your knees to the right, figure 4 supine twist. Take a cycle of breath, inhale, exhale. Guide the knees back to center, uncross your legs and switch right ankle on top of your left knee. Take exact the same variation as you did on the other side. Squeeze that left knee towards you, right knee away from you. Find a little sway side to side to dig deeper into that sensation. Take a breath in and out. Let go of your grip. Open the arms to the side. Bring the gaze to your right shoulder and then drop your feet, your legs to the left. Take a breath in and out. Guide the legs back to center, uncross. Grab behind your thighs, lift your shoulder blades off the mat and bring your forehead to your knees. Curl into a tiny little ball, squeeze everything tight, tight, tight. Take a breath in and out. Then begin to rock and roll. Back and forward, ground your feet, push the earth away, and come right away into forward fold as you're grabbing the opposite elbows, ragdoll position. Sway side to side, long spine, long neck. Good morning, hamstrings. Good morning, lower back. Take a full breath in. Open mouth. Allow any tightness to let out of your body. Good, release your grip, heel to your feet to touch. Generously bend your knees, begin to roll up to standing, one vertebra at a time. Sweep the arms up, inhale. Lots of energy in your fingers. Look up. Exhale, plug the hands to your heart. Close your eyes for a moment and reconnect with your intention. Breathe in and out. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, fold forward, soften the knees, lead with your chest. Inhale, halfway, glance out, hands to your shin bones, long neck and spine. Exhale, ground your hands, step your feet to the back of your mat, find a plank pose. Shoulders over wrists. Now I want you to bring awareness to your center, really activating your core. Push the earth away around your upper back. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower your knees down. Begin to bend your arms as you lower all the way down to your mat. Bring your forearms down to the mat, coming into swings pose. Shoulders right on top of your elbows. Cast your heart forward through the upper arms. Gaze in front of you. You can close your eyes here. Tune into the breath. Relax. And breathe into your sensations. One more breath in and out. Slowly lower all the way down. Bring the hands underneath your shoulders. Tuck your toes under. Push the earth away. Make your way into downward facing dog. Right away, begin to invite movement into your downward facing dog. Bicycle your legs. Walking your dog. Long spine. Strong, active core. And then find stillness. Full cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, sweep your right heel up high, single leg, down dog. And as you exhale, step your right foot in between your hands. Warrior 2. Pivot your left foot parallel to the back of your mat. Inhale. Cartwheel the arms up. Rise and open. Sink nice and deep. Reach through your fingers. Right knee on top of your right ankle. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, star pose. Pivot both of your heels in. Reach the arms up. Connect your palms, look up. And as you exhale, goddess pose, you're gonna cactus your arms, sink nice and low, trying to bring your thighs parallel to the mat. Inhale, push through your feet, come up, star. Exhale, sink nice and low, goddess. Inhale, star. Exhale, goddess. Beautiful. Bring the hands to your heart. From here, straighten the legs. Now bend your left knee, squat down into ninja squat, skandasana. Ground your hands to the floor. Walk them all the way to the right. Lift your sitting bones. Bend into the right knee. Squatting on this side. Inhale. Push the earth away. Lift the sitting bones. Move to the left. Inhale, lift up. Move to the right. Awakening our legs and hips. One more each side. Inhale. To the left. Inhale. To the right. Good. Now inhale, lift up. Come to center. Pivot both of your feet towards each other so your feet parallel. Fingers in between your feet. Inhale, find length in your spine. And as you exhale, fold forward, straddle, forward fold. Bring the hands in between your feet and reach the crown of your head down to the earth. Try to bring a little bit more weight to the balls of your feet. Relax, just breathe. Surrender to what it is. Tune inward. And be happy with what you have. Where are you at today in your practice? One more breath, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, let's find halfway. Lengthen. Hands to your hips, come all the way up. And as you exhale, let's find warrior two. Rebend into the right knee, sink nice and low. Inhale, reverse. Right arm comes across your face. Stretch that right side body. Exhale, look down, ground your hands, step back to plank pose. Drop your knees down, lower halfway, chaturanga. Hug the ribs with your elbows. Untuck your toes. Inhale, find upward facing dog. A lot of engagement in your quads. Exhale, tuck your toes under. Downward facing dog. Take a breath in and out. Now let's repeat the same sequence on the other side. Inhale, sweep your left heel up high. Single leg, down dog. Exhale, step the left foot in between your hands. Warrior two, inhale, adjust your right foot. Rise, open, find your powerful warrior two, sink nice and low. Squeeze both of your heels to the midline. Find a little bit more activation in your inner thighs. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, come up, star pose. Put both of your heels in. Palms to touch, look up. Exhale, goddess. Bend your knees. Sink nice and low. Elbows right on top of your knees. Inhale, lift up. Star. Exhale, sink nice and low. Goddess. Inhale all the way up. Star. Exhale. Goddess. Good. Plug the hands to your heart. Straighten both of the legs, bend into the right knee, squat down to the back of your mat. Skandasana. Extend the arms in the front of you. Inhale, use your core to lift your sitting bones up. And exhale, move to the other side, squat down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, move, bend into the right knee. Inhale up. Exhale, bend into your left knee. One more each side. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale lift. Then inhale, come to center. Pivot both of your feet parallel to each other. Halfway, find length. And as you exhale, you're gonna send the arms back behind you, interlock all 10 fingers. Squeeze the shoulder blades towards each other. Inhale. And exhale, fold forward. Send the knuckles overhead. Maybe a little bit wiggle side to side. I encourage you to bring more weight to your toes. Maybe try slightly to lift your heels off the mat. Tune inward. Just breathe. One more breath, inhale. Exhale. Let go of your grip. Sprinkle your fingers down to the mat. Inhale, halfway. Lengthen. Bring the hands to your hips. Lift up. Exhale. Open the arms. Find your warrior two. Rebend into that left leg. Inhale, reverse. Go nice and deep. And as you exhale, look down, cartwheel the arms down, step back to plank pose. Drop to your knees or not. Take your chaturanga push-up. Upward facing dog. Inhale. And then downward facing dog. Exhale. Right away. Inhale, sweep your right heel up high. Single leg down dog. Exhale, step the foot in between your hands. Inhale, come up, high crescent lunge. Lift your arms, sink nice and low. Inhale, hinge forward, hug the left knee to your chest. And as you exhale, bring that foot back behind you, grab the inner arch of your foot. Inhale, sweep your right arm up, dancer's pose. Exhale, kick your foot into your hand. Lift up through your heart. Find your gaze, drishti. Slow down your breath. Breathe in and out. Slowly letting go. Place that left foot down. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, long spine, glance out. Exhale, vinyasa of your choice. Step back, drop to your knees or not. Upward facing dog. Inhale, downward facing dog. Exhale. Right away, lift heel up high. Single leg down dog. Exhale, step the foot in between your hands. Inhale, strong core, rise up, high crescent lunge. Exhale, sink nice and deep. Inhale, exhale, hinge forward, bring that right knee to your chest. Take a breath in. Exhale, float the right foot back behind you and grab the inner arch of your foot. Kiss your knees. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, dancer's pose. Kick, kick, kick that right foot into your hand. Lots of energy in your fingers and your toes. Slow down your breath. One more cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly begin to let this go. Place your right foot down to the mat. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, plug the hands to your heart. Pause. Listen to your heartbeat pumping for you. Fill up with gratitude for that. Express few more words of gratitude for whatever you are grateful for today. Now let's seal this practice with a huge, deep, long breath in. Open mouth, side out. Blink your eyes to open, and then let's do a little dance. Dance, dance, celebrate for waking up today and going towards your dreams. Good job, my friends. High five. I'm so proud of you. You are doing amazing. I would like to hear from you. How are you feeling today after the practice? And what was your favorite pose today? Drop me a comment down below. Don't forget our hashtag Rise and Shine. From my heart to yours, I bow to you. Namaste, and I'll see you again tomorrow.